Hi everyone, this is my DIY Summer Collab hosted by Crafty Kitty. Enjoy! This is a wreath that I had for some time now, and what I want to do is redo it for summer by adding a lot of summer flowers to it and really make it fit into the season. Okay, let's get started. I decided to take all the red berries out and keep the white ones in and keep it nice and fresh and summery looking. The berries was easy to remove, but then at one point I'm going to have to use scissors to really get the rest of them out. And I'll be keeping the berries, the red berries, to use on another project. Okay, all done. Now this is the look that I'm going to start with. And these are my colorful flowers. It's a collection of flowers that I've had, loose flowers that I'm going to see if I can really make this wreath stand out with these flowers. And here I'm just making arrangements with this to see what I want to do, how I want to place them around the wreath. So now I'm not gluing anything down. I'm just getting the idea of how I'm going to place the flowers in the different balance I need with this wreath. And don't forget to check out the other collaborators on this summer DIY collaboration. Are you subscribed to my channel? If not, become a subscriber and hit the button down below. I have more home decor and DIY to come. And I'm really actually just laying this out just to get a feel of what I have that's working. And I decided to balance it out by putting the same thing on one side, right across from it, put the same thing on the other side of the wreath. And that's usually the pattern I use when I do put together a wreath. And this is it. I like the way this look. It's not too busy. And I like the summery look to it, nice and airy. And from this to this, all done. I would like to thank Crafty Kitty for this summer DIY collaboration. And don't forget to go and look at the other collaborators on this collaboration. See you next time. And what do you think? Did you like this? Should I add a bow to it? Thank you for watching.